You guys can help me see this. Cars are rough though. You can see it's vibrating in my hand. So I'm assuming it's due to leakage in the, I think the air connector, or is it the air pump? Trying to open the hood for some reason. The switch has an issue. So we'll check that out later. Here's the TV. Let's watch some TV. How about that? Really? TV? There's TV. Is it working?
Celebrating 35 years of excellence.
For real?
Listen, lonely boy.
There's TV?
What does Kingsley mean he's doing a favor for a beloved friend?
But let's see. What happens when I put the car in reverse?
Ah, that guy's such an idiot, isn't he, God?
Oh, it's actually working. Clean drive. Still working. That's actually good. That's done. The owner of the car. Yapping about them. Doesn't want to release the car anymore to me. But sorry, it's too late. I've seen it and I like it. And the car is getting to me. Next thing, carbon trim. I need to work on this. Take this out, put some carbon fiber here. Alright. Fog lamps. Basically. AC is really cool. Works very well.
I'll be his mother-in-law as well.
No, I like this car. It's actually tinted. The guy that owns it is a madman. Yes. So we're done with that. 2003 540i. Sure looking for the V now.